Hi guys, I want to make a book Nook like no other book Nook has ever been made before.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
I want to do something new with laser cutting and 3D projection and of course Blender. Let's get started. A book Nook is like a mini diorama that's designed to fit on your bookshelf in between other books. They're really cool. I've seen lots done before, especially in the style of Harry Potter, sort of Diagon Alley. And I want to do something a bit different, something that hasn't been seen before. So here's a rough kind of plan. I want to build a sci-fi book Nook with flying saucers, and I want to use 3D projection, and I want to use a Pepper's Ghost style of illusion and wow factor within this book Nook. In Blender, I'm putting together a quick animation test to make sure the phone projection of the 3D graphics works in principle. So I've got the animation of the cow being held in a tractor beam running on my phone. Now the next step is to use some transparent piece of glass to use the reflection. So here I've got, it's a bit of an old CD cover, and now you can see the image being reflected through a clear see-through case. So I think this is going to work. Okay, so I've planned the bottom layer now and I've got the files loaded into Lightburn, so we're ready to do a quick first test burn. Okay, 11 minutes later. We seem to have everything finished and nicely cut out. Let's take this out and give a quick test fit to everything. Here are all the pieces, they're all beautifully cut out. We've got some lovely crisp detail there. And there's the base plate we're going to fit everything into. Let's do a quick first trial fit. Okay, so we've got the first fit here. The grass looks good and the fence looks good at the front. I think the tractor's maybe a little bit too small, but the background looks nice at the back as well. So as I'm testing this, I can see two problems really. The main problem really is that we can still see the phone, and I think the illusion is going to be ruined if we can still see the phone. Alternatively, we could put the phone screen at the top and project down onto it like that. That might work as well. Okay, a bit of a change of plan here. So now I've printed this out, I kind of see there's a few things I want to change about it. I want to add in more detail in the centre here, so I'm going to cut some more slots for extra sort of foliage and plants and stuff, and some cows. And also I've just bought this some photo frames, so I'm basically going to use the glass out of the photo frames as a reflective panel inside the book Nook. Before the pieces are cut on the laser cutter, I'm painting my sheets of plywood in black, as I figure that this is easier done on a flat surface. I really love watching laser work and then seeing all of those perfectly cut pieces just falling out of the wood. This first fit looks really promising. So I've built the basic set now. We've got the glass propped in. It's approximately 45 degrees to test. And I've got the animation on my phone. So it's taped the minute to the inside of the cardboard box to kind of approximate what it would be like when it's in the book Nook. And that was looking pretty cool. Also made some little rails. So these are basically for the lid. The idea is that the foam will slide into here and the little rails will hold it in place so it doesn't fall down. To give the final model a space vibe, I'm using a toothbrush dipped in white paint and using a bit of spare wood to flick the paint onto the wood. It gives a really quick and effective space look, ready for gluing everything together. And here's the finished model. As you can see, I've laser cut an alien and UFO logo to decorate the box with, and created a frame for the front of the box. I've added some blue LED lights to give a nighttime feel to the scene, and with the projection from the phone, it all ties together really well. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.